In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add gallery view in Notion. If you want a more visual way to organize your content in Notion, gallery view is a great option. It lets you display items as cards, which can be especially helpful for things like project tracking, content planning, mood boards, or any database where seeing a preview makes information easier to understand at a glance. The good news is that setting it up is very simple. To begin, go to a blank line anywhere on your Notion page. This is where you'll insert the new view. On that empty line, type /gallery. As you type, Notion will open a menu with matching options. This / command is one of the fastest ways to add new content blocks or database views. So it's a useful shortcut to remember. From the menu that appears, choose Gallery View or Gallery View Database. Depending on the version or wording you see in your workspace, both options are intended to help you create a gallery-style layout. So just select the gallery option presented in the list. Once you click it, Notion will begin preparing the gallery structure on your page. Next, click New Database to start building your gallery. This creates the database that will hold all of your gallery cards. Each card in the gallery represents an item in the database, and later you can customize those cards with titles, images, tags, dates, or any other properties you want to track. If your goal is to make information more visual and easier to browse, this is where that process begins. As you build, keep in mind that gallery view works best when each entry has clear, organized content. Even a simple title can be enough to get started, and you can always come back later to add more detail. The main idea is to create a layout that helps you quickly scan and interact with your information. That's all it takes to add gallery view in Notion. Start with a blank line. Type /gallery. Choose the gallery option from the menu and click New Database to create your visual layout. Once it's in place, you'll have a flexible and clean way to manage information in a card-based format. Thanks for watching.